everyone, welcome to my kitchen. How are you? I know we're all struggling at this time, but I'm sure we will overcome to this very soon. Just keep on praying and stay at home. Keep safe, everyone. God bless you. And by the way, my recipe for today is cauliflower gratin. Very easy recipe and of course very healthy. Our ingredients: cauliflower, 1 clove of garlic, parmesan, salt, nutmeg, black pepper, and I'm gonna need also oven dish, and I'm gonna grease it with butter, and also 500 milliliter of cream. Okay, to start, just crush the garlic and cut into half and rub it in the oven dish just to take the flavor from the garlic. And then I'm gonna cut our cauliflower into slices, just very thin slice. Just like that. I'm finished cutting our cauliflower and I just arranged like that, but some of them are small, but it's okay. And now I'm going to add our ingredients. Nutmeg, just spread it all over the cauliflower. And by the way, I already preheat our oven for 160 Celsius degree because I'm gonna bake this for an hour. Now black pepper, a bit of salt, and Parmesan cheese. I think it's okay. And our cream. Shake a little bit so that the cauliflower will absorb the cream. And then I'm gonna cover this with aluminum foil. And let's bake it for 1 hour. Okay guys, this is how it looks after an hour of baking. But then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and then Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna put it back to the oven for another 10 minutes of gratin, or until the cheese is golden brown. Yes, it's time to eat. Very delicious, guys. You got to try this. And it's also perfect with meatballs, mashed potato, or just bread. Then you can't go wrong. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!